Okay, so I'm making this because it's kind of complex to do, and sometimes there's errors. I just want to like troubleshoot it, so just make this call. Mod pick 1.12. This version of Forge, or whatever is newer. Click create. Here it is. So we're going to go here, open folder. Underneath mods, here's the zip that I sent you. Alright, just put that in mods. Extract it here. Should set all the mods. Back up in mod pack. Everything else should be good. Back over to Twitch. Click play. Click play. Now, sometimes on boot up, there is an error inside of this launcher. This one. When you try to play it, it says you're missing a file. So what you do then is you just copy the link to the file, paste it into your browser, whatever that is, and then you download the file, and then it'll show you the path that it has to go to right about here. And you just go to that path, you replace the file that's at that path with your file, and then the game runs. And that's it. But you have to do that manually.
And
Boom. Okay. Instantly change that to normal. Boom, boom, boom. Multiplayer. Add server. Then we turn that off really quickly. That's what we do. I'm gonna add the IP. You can go over here. Turn it back on. Yep. This is the IP. The server. Just call it the server. The guy who runs and owns the server is called Ronan. With a instead of an I. Ronan, the Japanese one. Server should boot. I think I turned it on. Let me check. Okay, so it looks like it was missing something, and I had to press enter, and now it's loading. So if we connect, we can see that I log in. It's all my stuff. Whoa there. What's happening? Right. Okay. Anyways, it's really fun. It's kind of funky. It has a bunch of mods that make just it hard to do anything, and that's a lot of fun. What happened? I ran out of oil? What the fuck? How does that happen? There should be canola pumping. Pump canola, pump. Alright, well, it doesn't matter. We check my resource chest. Oh, papa. Check this resource chest. Even better. Alright, cool. Yeah, you're out of energy too. That makes sense. Yeah. So, this is my house. I got another portal. That was really hard. But none of this is important. It's just to show that the mod is working. The mod pack works. The server is up. Other people are on, but not right now.